Alright, let us in.
No. I'm broken, you do it.
You're not broken, you're fine.
My knees are broken.
You can walk around Bass Pro Shop. You can walk over and open the gate.
No. This guy's okay. You want to know how cruel this is?
Open the gate.
I grow so fast that my knees fractured, and he's making me walk. Sickening.
Open the gate.
You open the gate. Go open it. Why won't you open it?
What do you think I brought you?
What?
I brought you to open gates and stuff.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna drive now.
And don't put the permit on the floor. We need this.
You told me to get it out.
He thinks he's gonna drive.
You can't open it because it's locked.
You know you have a gate combination, right?
It has a padlock.
With numbers on it.
No. Really? No. This one is stuck. This dial is... yeah, I got it. I got it right. Why is it... Ow. I did the right one. You do it. I'm driving. Please. Driving. So trust me, this is all legal.
Don't crash.
I'll try not to. It's just the gas or the brake. The little ones of brakes, right? That's pretty good.
What?
I just drove off with that shit. Did you see me?
No, I didn't.
Darn it, I was hoping you'd see me.
Hey, roll up your window, please. It's pretty hot.
It's not hot, but I mean, it's like getting dust in here. Why is it not going? Why is it not going?
It has to go uphill, so you need more power.
Where are we going? How far out here?
I don't know. In a perfect world, we'd find some shade.
Oh, nothing is perfect.
Not true.
You're right, I am.
It is stupid hot out.
It's not that hot.
It's kind of hot.
Suck it up. I'm just kidding. Actually, I haven't gotten to fish much this summer though, which is unfortunate.
Good.
I could. This is like the time of year that I want to be fishing because it's like 120 degrees out and the fish are like insanely active. Like even more.
Try not to hit that rock.
What rock? What rock?
Never mind.
Which rock were you talking about?
The one you just drove over.
Well, this is an entire path of rocks. I didn't know which one you were talking about.
The sharp one.
I didn't see a sharp rock.
I know.